So let me show you how to set custom line spacing in a Google Docs document. So normally when you select your document, whether it's a part of a document or the entire document, and then go to the line spacing menu, you have these predefined options. So you have single line spacing, 1.15, 1.5, double. And let's say you don't want any of this and you want your own specific line spacing. So what you need to do is come here to custom spacing, click on that. And under custom spacing, you can now select your own specific custom spacing. So let's say I want 1.45, all right, or even 1.46, like that. Okay, so you just type it in there and then click on apply, and that's going to get applied that custom line spacing for you. It's really that simple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.